this Jeep, I don't know about all of them, but this one, the cigarette plugs at the front of the car are actually on all of the time. When I plug in a Bluetooth radio receiver or something like a phone charger that has a little light, it will slowly drain the battery of the Jeep over time. And if I don't start it every day, ultimately the battery will go dead, and I know that's the issue. So I actually bought a USB car charger that goes into the cigarette plug, and it's a splitter. So it's got multiple USB plugs and cigarette plugs in it. However, the best part about this one is it's got a button at the top where it plugs in, and you could just flick that on and off. So that will solve my issue. Every time I stop the car, I kind of just hit that button. It's fairly simple. I mostly drive this car all the time anyways. However, if I know it's gonna sit for a couple days, this button's gonna save my butt. So yeah, this thing's actually pretty intense. Like I said, it's got a button that will stop and start the entire system. And then it will actually tell you on this little screen the voltage of your battery as well. A lot of the modern ones do. However, this was the best bang for your buck. And I think it's gonna work perfect for this Jeep. I don't know if you noticed, but like it also matches the whole red mojo I got going on here. So this thing actually feels like it's really good quality, given how cheap it was. But like the actual feel to it, it doesn't feel cheap at all. These things came on there. The stickies were already on there. Like I said, really good feel overall. I'll link this down in the description if you want to get one for yourself. The main reason why I picked this one was because of the button. As I mentioned, a lot of them have USB plugs and cigarette plugs and show the voltage. Not a lot have the button, and that's kind of what I was looking for. So 12.0 volts. It's pretty solid. So that's it for this Burnout Extra. If you need one of these to split your cigarette plug in your car, I highly recommend this one. As I mentioned, the button on it is phenomenal if you know that your cigarette plug is live all of the time. Products right down in the description. Stay tuned for more products like this. You can also find these on www.burnoutshow.com, so check that out as well. But yeah, stay tuned for more cool gadgets that help us on things like road trips or even just getting around. Stuff like this is perfect for your Jeep and your car, and it's easy to find. Until next time.